If you're thinking about buying a robot vacuum in 2026, this video might just save you a lot of time and money because not every smart cleaner is actually smart, and some are just expensive mistakes. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 robot vacuums of 2026 that truly make life easier with real AI cleaning, powerful suction, and hands-free maintenance. Watch till the end to find your perfect choice and avoid wasting money on the wrong one. Product links are in the description below. Let's start.
Number 5. Dream X60 Max Ultra Complete is a flagship robot vacuum and mop built for homes that want serious cleaning power, smarter navigation, and far less hands-on effort. It keeps an ultra-slim 7.95 centimeter body with a retractable LDS system, while VersaLift DTOF navigation, AI cameras, dual structured light, LED illumination, and proactive light help it recognize 280-plus object types, avoid clutter, and clean confidently in dark corners. It can also climb up to 88 millimeters on double-layer steps and 45 millimeters on single-layer thresholds, so door tracks and raised transitions are easier to handle. Cleaning is equally advanced, with 35,000 pascals Vormax TheraSuction, Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush 2.0, a retractable pressure plate, dual rotating mops at 230 RPM, 15N downward pressure, mop extension, and automatic mop lifting or removal for carpet runs. The 10-in-1 dock adds auto-emptying, 100 degrees Celsius mop self-cleaning, hot air drying, self-cleaning washboard support, water refilling, and dual solution dispensing for floor care and pet odors. A 6400 mAh battery, voice control, and app tools for scheduling, zones, and room order make it feel fully automated.
Number 4. Shark Power Detect UV Reveal is a premium robot vacuum and mop designed to find and remove messes that many robots miss. Its unique UV stain detect technology reveals hidden spills, dried-on pet messes, and sticky spots, while powerful suction and hypersonic mopping deliver up to 7 times more scrubbing power for deeper cleaning across carpets and hard floors. Powered by NeuroNav AI, RGB sensors, lasers, and an ultra-range camera, it intelligently maps your home, avoids obstacles, and adapts in real time using 8 Power Detect cleaning technologies. The self-cleaning brush roll, never stuck technology, edge-reaching airflow, and extending mop pad help capture dirt, hair, crumbs, and debris along walls, corners, and baseboards. A long-lasting battery provides up to 3 hours of runtime and automatically recharges before resuming unfinished jobs. The thermocharged Never-Touch Pro Base automatically empties dust, refills water, washes the mop with a 185-degree Fahrenheit hot water, dries it with 175-degree Fahrenheit air, and includes HEPA filtration for a truly hands-free cleaning experience.
Number 3. RoboRock Saros 20 Sonic is an advanced all-in-one cleaning system designed to deliver powerful vacuuming, intelligent navigation, and hands-free floor care in a remarkably slim design. It combines VibraRise 5.0 mopping with 4,000 sonic vibrations per minute, 14N downward pressure, and an extendable mop head that reaches edges and corners, while the 36,000 PA Hyperforce Noter and dual zero tangle system with Duo Divide and Flexi-Arm brushes lift pet hair, dust, and debris with minimal maintenance. Adaptalift Chassis 3.0 helps the robot cross up to 3.46-inch double-layer thresholds and thick carpets up to 1.18 inches, while Retract Sense Navigation, Reactive AI 3.0, Tri-Laser Structured Light, an RGB camera, and Vertibeam side laser work together to map rooms accurately and avoid obstacles. Its ultra-slim 3.13-inch profile allows it to clean under beds, sofas, and cabinets with ease. The all-new Rock Dock automatically washes mop pads with 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, dries them with 131 degrees Fahrenheit warm air, dispenses detergent, supports independent mop washing, and provides up to 65 days of hands-free dust collection. A 6400 mAh battery delivers up to 180 minutes of runtime, while SmartPlan 3.0, Matter support, voice control, pet tracking, and app-based customization create a truly automated cleaning experience from start to finish. Number 2. The Ecovacs D-Bot X211 Omni Cyclone is a high-performance robot vacuum and mop engineered to handle demanding cleaning tasks while reducing everyday maintenance. It pairs Power Boost fast charging with a 6400 mAh battery, restoring power quickly while washing the mop so cleaning can continue with minimal interruption. The Osmo Roller 2.0 system uses a high-density roller with continuous water refresh and True Edge 3.0 technology to scrub deeper and reach closer to walls, corners, and baseboards. Blast technology combines a 100-watt motor, optimized airflow, 19,500 PA suction, and 38 CFM airflow for strong performance on hard floors and carpets, while Zero Tangle 3.0 brushes help prevent hair buildup. True Pass four-wheel climbing allows the robot to cross thresholds up to 0.94 inches and gaps up to 1.57 inches for seamless room-to-room movement. Smart wet and dry cleaning automatically lifts the roller mop on carpets and raises brushes when needed to avoid unwanted moisture. AI-VI 3D 3.0, LiDAR, TOF sensors, and the Yeeco agent learn your home layout and cleaning habits for smarter navigation and cleaning decisions. The bagless Omni Cyclone station completes the experience with auto-emptying, hot water mop washing, warm air drying, dual solution cleaning, auto-refilling, and self-cleaning maintenance. A complete hands-free cleaning solution built for modern homes. Number 1. MOVA Z50 Ultra is designed for people who want spotless floors without constantly managing their robot vacuum. Built around a powerful 19,000 PA suction system, it easily tackles dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris across carpets and hard floors, while the innovative HydroSync roller mop continuously washes itself with hot water during cleaning to deal with tougher stains more effectively. Its Edge Extend technology reaches deeper along walls and into corners, and the intelligent Clean Lift system automatically adjusts brushes and mops when moving between different floor surfaces. Advanced navigation combines LiDAR, AI cameras, RGB vision, and smart obstacle recognition to move confidently around furniture, cables, and everyday household objects. For homes with pets, the triple anti-tangle design helps reduce hair buildup and maintenance. The fully automated docking station takes care of dust collection, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, detergent dispensing, and self-maintenance, making day-to-day operation remarkably simple. With a large 6400 mAh battery, voice assistant compatibility, and AI-powered cleaning decisions that adapt to your home, the MOVA Z50 Ultra delivers a smarter and more effortless cleaning experience from room to room.